Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a new library in WordPress, right? So for this you have to go to the start button from the left hand side, and then here you have to simply type in the Chrome or the preferable browser that you would like to use. And once you type in that, you have to simply go to the browser and type in www.wordpress.com in the search bar, then click on enter. After that you have to simply put in your login credentials there, and you have to simply log into your own account. After that you have to just simply take you to this page. From here you have to just simply click on the edit site option from the quick links, and after that it will simply take you to this website like this. And for me, I have made it this website, and for you it can be changes. And what you need to do is simply click on the plus icon in the top navigation bar. Here you can see the blue mark plus icon, just simply click on it, and after that here you can see in the blocks icon you have to just simply search for the gallery option from here. And once you click on the gallery option, then you have to just simply click on enter. After that, here you can see that the gallery option is showing here. You have to just simply click on it, and you have to put it in your website. And here you can see that the gallery is already put it into your website. And here you can see there are lots of option of upload, select images, generate with AI. You can just simply click on the select images from here. And once you click on the select images, here you will get the option of media library, your phone, generate with AI, Google Photos, and other option. So let's say I'd like to go for the media library from here. And here you can see there are lots of media library I have chosen from here. And from the media library you have to choose the photos that you would like to give for the gallery. So let's say I would like to choose this one. Then you have to simply click on the create a new gallery in the below option here, and after that it will simply create a gallery in your WordPress site. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.